Right, LG, Samsung, Kenmore. Where are we in terms of economy? Current to date prices. What are our savings now? Our savings are $247. Not including any specials that are holiday incentive. Was a price of $849. We're saving $251. LG. Was $849, another savings of $251 on average. What do I think about LG washers and products? Current to date, $949, a savings again of $251 on average. I figure that they are okay. They are alright as a washer and dryer set. They're not designed for true heavy duty. Was $1,400, actually was $1,040. Another on savings of $251 on average savings. The materials in which we're using now, in which they're making our clothes, are not as rugged as times of old. They're not cotton. So these machines don't have to work as hard. A savings of $301. Except for your large bulky items, your bedspreads and whatnot, even those materials are made out of lighter material. Don't know the material specific, but they are lighter. And so the gear mechanisms are not under tremendous amount of stress and wear and tear. Because of the electronic age and era, these products are easy to be made now, and in which the interconnections of components or drive systems, such as your drive motor, which they use now, less belts, more direct drive motors, which is basically going directly to your stator from the control board, interface with a actuator motor, in which if that actuator motor does not get power, then that direct drive motor doesn't know to put it into spin or go into agitation. Even though they use a hand knob for our convenience of nostalgia, that is an actual interface control knob for a control board, which that knob does nothing but basically makes a pre-programmed selection. But all in all, they're okay. Your dryer's functional. It doesn't have to get as hot as the dryers of old. They only need to get to permanent press, in which the materials in which we fibers and clothes, they don't have to get as hot like cotton used to. Polyester, rayon, I do believe that's one of the names of the fabrics that are used now. Now your mid-range to $800 to $1,000, more or less contemporary black and gold now. You will still see pricing of high-end was once $1,099, a A savings of $421. That is a lot of savings. That's a standard savings. That's not even including your holidays. You'll see on average $421 in savings was $1,099. Seems to be a common theme here. Samsung appliances. Get an extra $100 off. What do we have here in savings? $421 was $1,199. Mid-range to high-end. Same design, same direct drive motor technology. GE, on average, savings $251 was $1,149. On average savings. Stack units, electronic control, washer and dryer, regular price $1,298. You're going to save $200. Electronic control. So are these still good units? Yes, they are. For which moderate load capacity, such as your type of clothing we're wearing nowadays, common to date, which would be your yoga pants, your athletic gear, your rayons, not so much cotton and heavy polyesters. That is what these are designed for. Most of our fabrics are lighter, wicking. So the gear mechanisms are not designed to withstand years and years and years of heavy fibers, if that makes sense. Was $1,049. On average savings, $251. That is the theme. Those are all your top loaders. Stay tuned. Reports on your front loaders will be next.